Our rights and duties. Before 15th August 1947, our country was ruled by the British. We became independent on that day. Our leaders got together to form a government. They first made a set of rules based on which the government would run. This set of rules is known as our Constitution. The Constitution was accepted on 26th January 1950. This day is known as Republic Day. Our Constitution follows some important principles. The first principle is that all the people of the country will choose leaders who would form the government. This kind of government is known as a democracy. Thus, our country is no longer ruled by kings. Another important principle is that all the people in the country will be treated as equals. The government will not make any difference between the people because of caste, religion, or in any other way. This is known as the principle of socialism. It was also decided that all people in the country would be free to follow whatever religion they want. This is known as the principle of secularism. Thus, India is a democratic, socialist, secular country. Our fundamental rights. The Constitution of India gives its citizens certain fundamental rights. Some of the important rights: right to equality, right to freedom of speech, right to follow any religion, right to justice, right to live and travel anywhere in the country, right to choose a profession. If anyone feels that his or her fundamental rights have been denied, he or she can approach a court of law. Our duties. Duties always come along with rights. Some of our important duties as citizens of India are: we must follow the rules laid down in the Constitution. We must honor the national flag and the national anthem. We must help to keep our country united. We must defend the country at the time of danger. We must protect our national property. We must protect our environment. We must treat all Indians as equals. Directive principles. Our Constitution lays down certain guidelines for the government to follow for the welfare of the people. Some important guidelines: providing proper living conditions for all citizens, providing work for everyone, ensuring that some people do not become rich by exploiting others, providing free and compulsory education for all children up to the age of 14 years, improving the conditions of weaker sections of society such as those belonging to scheduled caste and scheduled tribes.